Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll set up our server by installing Java, Nextflow, and Docker so that we can run our bioinformatics pipeline. Let's get started. To install Nextflow, we need a programming language called Java. So let's install that first. If I type Java into the terminal, I'll see the available versions. I'll go ahead and install Java 21. Once that's done, we can verify by typing in java-version. If everything worked, you should see the installed version here. Now we can install Nextflow. We'll download it using this curl command. Make it executable using the chmod command. And then check the version. If you see a version printed, you're good to go. Finally, we'll install Docker. And Docker lets Nextflow run bioinformatics tools inside isolated environments so that we don't have to install everything manually. If I type Docker into the terminal, I'll see some possible installation options. I'll go ahead and install Docker IO. Once that's done, we can verify the version that was installed. Next, we need to create a Docker user group and add our Linux username to it so that we can run Docker without requiring sudo privileges. I always forget the commands to do this, so let's look it up in the documentation. Okay, first we'll create the Docker group using the group add command. Perfect, it already exists. Second, we'll add our username to the group using the usermod command. And then activate those changes using the new group command. And we can verify that Docker commands will work without sudo by downloading and running a test image called Hello World. Let's go ahead and do that. If this runs successfully, that means Docker is working. At this point, we have everything set up, Java, Nextflow, and Docker. In the next video, we'll run the NF-core RNA-seq pipeline using test data. I'll see you there.